Jökulsárlón is famous for its glittering icebergs, playful seals and a diamond beach. Sail with us into the Glacier Lagoon. Jökulsárlón is a 5-hour drive from Iceland's capital, Reykjavik. Jökulsárlón lies south of the Vatnajökull glacier and is the best known and largest glacier lake in Iceland. Pieces break off the glacier and are driven by the wind or current until they get stuck at the bottom of the lake. We took the amphibian boat tour. Immersed in the lagoon, with the icebergs surrounding us from all angles, we experienced a different kind of beauty. This otherworldly environment is simply breathtaking. Cruising between the marvelous icebergs, you see white, blue and black colored icebergs floating in the lake. There was an English-speaking guide on board who told us all about the area's formation, history and future.
So welcome to Jökulsárlón, everyone. My name is Bruno. I enjoy the sun, it's not sunny every day here. So why do they flip? Actually you can see only 10% of each iceberg. Maybe you knew that 10 on the top and 19 under the water. So they are a lot bigger than they seem. They don't melt at the same speed on the top and underneath. Especially today, since it's sunny, they're going to melt a lot faster on the top.
800 jaar oud ijs. Lekker hoor.
You have a bad rule.
The lagoon is formed naturally from melted glacier water and is perpetually growing while big blocks of ice crumble from the ever-shrinking glacier. As Jökulsárlón increases in size, the retreating glacier visibly demonstrates the effects of global warming. Here they melt and break into smaller pieces, and then they drift to the sea. Large chunks of ice come washing up and look like diamonds in the sun. That's why it's called the Diamond Beach. Seals can be seen in Jökulsárlón year-round, but they flock to the mouth of the lagoon to catch fish in the winter. Many of these adorable creatures call Jökulsárlón home, and they can often be seen playing in the water or basking on the icebergs. And on the beach was a baby seal resting. The parents looked at us from the sea, but didn't seem to worry. After a while the pup went back to the sea. Every time we looked, the lagoon was different. Seeing all this beauty of nature and animal life, we were overwhelmed by all impressions. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and watch the next video.
Dream
Explore and travel with us.